Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 16th, our word of the day is obdurate. O-B-D-U-R-A-T-E. Obdurate. Obdurate is an 8-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Obdurate is a formal word meaning stubborn. In other words, extremely determined to act in a particular way and not to change despite what anyone else says. If you want to major in English, but your parents are obdurate that you should go pre-med, they might go so far as to threaten not to pay your tuition. Similar words include obstinate, stubborn, mulish, headstrong, difficult, contrary, perverse, recalcitrant, refractory. Examples of sentences using obdurate are: the child's misery would move even the most obdurate heart. The president remains obdurate on immigration. He is known for his obdurate determination. I argued this point with him, but he was obdurate. She remained obdurate despite their pleas. A third group were obdurate and still wanted to wait and see. Make sure to save this new word, obdurate, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!